PlasTell is your complete plastics identification solution. It is easy to use, simply scan and instantly identify your plastic samples. Using PlasTell, you can identify common plastics, and specialist plastics can be added upon request. You can sort quicker with the programmable LED. For example, green for samples you want to accept and red for reject. There are no additional accessories, libraries or subscriptions required. It is scalable to suit your needs. The device is cloud-enabled for detailed insights and traceability. Use our free app to add and connect to your instruments, save to collections, and view statistics based on your measurements. For more information, or to ask us any questions, contact us at matoha.com.